Recteq Flagship 1600. Review. Best premium pellet grill for the ultimate BBQ experience? If you're serious about BBQ and want a pellet grill with huge capacity, precise temperature control, and premium construction, the Recteq Flagship 1600 is definitely worth a look. But is it worth the premium price? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Flagship 1600 is a large pellet grill and smoker with around 1,665 square inches of cooking space that gives you plenty of room for briskets, ribs, chicken, burgers, or large family meals, making it especially useful when cooking for a crowd. It has a 40-pound pellet hopper, while the temperature range goes from 180 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use it for low and slow smoking, roasting, baking, and higher temperature grilling. Build quality is one of its biggest strengths. The grill uses stainless steel components and heavy-duty construction, but that also makes it a very large and heavy unit. At roughly 230 pounds, it's better suited to a permanent spot on your patio than frequent moving. Temperature control is another highlight. The Flagship 1600 features Wi-Fi connectivity and PID-style temperature management, allowing you to monitor and adjust the grill through the app. Meat probes also help you keep track of internal food temperatures without constantly opening the lid. The biggest advantages are its massive cooking area, large pellet capacity, wide temperature range, strong construction, and convenient digital controls. It's designed for people who want more consistency and control than a basic pellet grill can provide. However, there are some drawbacks. The grill takes up a lot of space, moving it can be difficult, and the premium price may not make sense for casual backyard cooking. The connected app experience may also not be perfect for every user. Overall, the Recteq Flagship 1600 makes the most sense for serious BBQ enthusiasts, large families, and anyone who regularly cooks for groups. If you only grill occasionally, a smaller pellet grill could offer better value. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you think the Flagship 1600 is worth it.